Watch this video to the end before you make your next Chinese noodles because you're making it wrong. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Bosse, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make easy and amazing recipes. Do not forget to follow me for more. Let's get started. So in the pot you're going to add a little bit of oil, and then you're just going to add your eggs to this. At this stage, we're just trying to make our scrambled eggs. So we're just going to mix together until it is like this, and then it is ready. At this stage, we're just trying to bring it out from the pot and then go in with our next ingredient, which is we're just going to add a little bit of butter to this. It could be salted or unsalted. Add a little bit of oil, and then we're just going to add our shrimps to this. At this stage, I'm just trying to make sure my shrimps are properly seated inside the pot. Next step is for us to go in with a little bit of seasoning cube to add taste to it. Then we're just going to mix this and allow it to sit for just a couple of minutes. Mind you, the moment your shrimps turns pink, it is ready. That's the arc. The moment your shrimp turns pink, it is ready. Same oil, we're just going to add our onion and allow it to saute. Next step is to go in with our ginger and garlic powder, and then we're just going to mix a bit. Then we're going to add our grated pepper for it. Then we're just going to mix together. Mind you, you can add a little bit of seasoning cube. So time for us to go in with our dark soy sauce and also our oyster sauce, and then a little bit of sesame oil. And then we're just going to mix this again until it is well and properly combined. Then we're just going to go in with our carrot, because carrot has a way of releasing flavor into our sauce. And mind you, it's always advisable to do this so you don't start eating a crunchy carrot. It's better when your carrot is a little bit soft. So then we're just going to bring it out, and then time for us to go in with our rice noodles. I'll always advise you, in a pot you just go in with your water, add a little bit of salt. Make sure your water brings to a boil before you go in with your rice stick, because you're not going to keep this for a longer time. Within 2 to 3 minutes your rice stick is ready. We're just going to sieve and then add it inside our sauce. Then we're just going to go in with our shrimps and also our egg we made earlier, and then we're just going to add our vegetables, which is our red bell peppers and green bell peppers, with also our protein of choice. Then time for us to mix this. We're just going to mix this until it is well and properly combined. And I always advise you to always use a bigger pot so it's easier for you whenever you want to mix this. This took between 3 to 5 minutes while I was mixing this, because I want it to be mixed evenly. Then we're just going to go in with a little bit of our pasta water. Then stir it a little bit more. And then I'm just going to cover this and allow it to sit on a low heat between 2 to 3 minutes. And after that, this is what we have. All you have to do is just to stir it a bit and serve. So let me know what you think, and do not forget to follow for more. Bye.